Hi, this is to show you how to run a new archived campaign member file. This will be part of the process for that you'll do every week for the data dumps, in addition to the regular files that each vendor needs. These files, they also need a dump of the archived campaign members, and this is how you pull it. So in your Windows, go to Command Prompt, and then I have a text file that has instructions of what to paste into that command window here. So let's take this first line and paste it in here and press enter. And then for TMT, this is one query, and then once this runs, then you have to copy and paste the second query. So they're going to have two files. So I'm going to copy the first one and just paste it here. And press enter. So this will take quite a while to run, maybe a good 45 minutes. And you'll know it's finished because it will provide counts. It'll provide, some huge number in the hundreds of millions. And then once that's finished, for TMT, you could run the second one, copy this, and paste it. So for TMT, once the two files are finished, you have to go to the folder where you saved it. In this case, it says it in the query language. So I could see here, C archived campaign members, and blah, blah, blah. So go there. This is the file. And then just open up TMT's FTP site and send it to them. And here it is, and you'll just zip it over. Same thing with InfoGroup. You have to copy this and then copy this. Now InfoGroup needs the count. TMT doesn't need it, but InfoGroup does. So, like I said, you'll know the file has finished running when you see the counts. So again, just email that to Brenda. Email the counts to Brenda. Then I want to explain, this is kind of separate, but it's certainly related. Every so often in Salesforce, it's a good practice to actually run the archiving process. So when there's a ton of campaign members in Salesforce, you might as well archive them out into the external database. We configure that to save space. So I'm going to go to Setup and go to Storage, just to get an idea of the counts. Storage usage. Oh, sorry, you didn't see that. So I'm here, storage usage. Campaign members, you could see there's 1.4 million. So that's a pretty good time. That's a good amount to get that out of Salesforce and lower the number here. So the way we archive, from the apps launcher, go to search bulk and bulk jobs manager. And you're going to run this job. And all you have to do is press the run. And that takes some time. And you'll know it's finished because once you go back to the storage usage, the campaign member number will greatly go down. You'll see that.